Hi viewers, this is your Vinod again for Python input and output. So any program require input and output, where input is a detail which we are giving to an function or a program, and an output which we are viewing onto the display. So we have an input function, input of which we will give after starting the program. So what is this input? Input is a value or a data which need to be processed in a program. So in Python we are availed with input of function through which you can enter the value or the data through the keyboard, and we can execute or use those values in our program. So next, coming to the output, we have a print function, which is the only function which is used to display output onto the screen. So here, after starting the program, we will take the inputs and we will process them, and we will stop. With stop, you can see the output onto the display. What is this output? So an output is a processed data through a program onto the display. So processed data, where it is processed in the program, it's processed and it is coming to the end and display the output, the data after processing. So for any program, it is mandatory to use input and output function print in order to display the values or the data which we require for the user. So basically, don't forget to use input output function in your program, otherwise it will not display anything, so you don't get the required data onto the screen, or you can't see the values. So what are the processed values and all, even though you can use them, you can't see them. So make use of a print function to visualize the values, and input function to give the input values through the keyboard. For more queries and all, come to Bison Technologies for classroom training, and reach over gangboard.com for online training. Thank you.